Okay, so in the last video you saw Scott got the newest update, and today we are going to show you the maps. The maps have downloaded. So today we're going to show you exactly what that looks like. So here you can see he is on 2018.14.2, and there's a cool little owner's manual thing right there. Get into that in just a second. So release notes now says accessing the owner's manual by hitting the Tesla T like I just showed you, and now it is there. Rather than beforehand when you had to click here, then you had to go into settings, then you had to go into manual. Now it just does it all in one, which is kind of cool. Okay, so also introducing new navigation, which is in beta. Whether you're on your daily commute or heading out to a new destination, you can rely on navigation to give you the fastest route and provide more accurate estimated arrival times. It will route you around traffic jams and guide you through complex maneuvers when required. Well, that sounds interesting. If traffic conditions change and there's an alternate route that will save you time, navigation will automatically reroute you. As with the previous system, you can control how aggressively navigation does this. Just indicate how much time an alternative route should save by adjusting the settings, just like before. And then navigation prevents you from missing turns, ... You can pause this and read this all if you would like. It is a mouthful. But that's what it'll look like, so that's exciting. And as we scroll down, they actually do say we welcome feedback about the navigation. Send it to navfeedback@tesla.com. Or press the voice command and say note. And then just some other release notes. So yeah, I'll go ahead and probably put Scott's new maps on one side of the screen and my car's older maps navigation on the other side. And that way you guys can see them side by side, see what they look like. There's a different sound. Should be really exciting. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Now turn right onto South Platte River Drive. Now turn right onto South Platte River Drive. In 150 feet, take the first exit from the roundabout onto River Point Parkway. Now enter the roundabout and take the first exit. In 0.2 miles, turn left onto US 285 South. In 500 feet, bear left onto South Brady Court, then turn left onto West Hamden Avenue. Now bear left onto South Brady Court. Now turn left onto US 285 South. Now turn left onto West Hamden Avenue. In half a mile, at exit Wadsworth Boulevard, take the ramp right, then turn left onto South Wadsworth Boulevard. In 1 mile, take the Wadsworth Boulevard exit on the right. Now, at exit Wadsworth Boulevard, take the ramp right, then turn left onto South Wadsworth Boulevard. Now take the Wadsworth Boulevard exit on the right. In 0.2 miles, turn left onto South Wadsworth Boulevard. In 500 feet, turn left onto South Wadsworth Boulevard. Now turn left onto South Wadsworth Boulevard. In half a mile, at exit Kipling Street, take the ramp right, then turn left onto South Kipling Parkway. In 1 mile, take the Colorado 391 Kipling Street exit on the right. Now, at exit Kipling Street, take the ramp right, then turn left onto South Kipling Parkway. Now turn left onto South Kipling Parkway. In half a mile, take the exit right onto US 285 North towards Sims Street. In 1 mile, take the Sims Street exit on the right. Now take the exit right onto US 285 North towards Sims Street. Now take the Sims Street exit on the right.
Okay, there you guys have it. That was Scott's new navigation in 2018.14.2. It definitely is improved. It didn't have us try to do any U-turns. It seemed to be taking the fastest route possible, which is always nice. And it just overall seemed better. I like the voice a lot. I like how it zooms in more on the instrument cluster instead of just kind of staying more zoomed out. I like how it shows some of the side roads you're passing. Overall, very, very happy with it. I did not notice any difference on the main screen. that seems to have stayed the same. All the difference I found is actually on the instrument cluster right in front of the driver. This actually is a lot like the Model 3 that we had thanks to T-Sportline back at the semi event, and it's an awesome navigation. I'm really happy with it. I can't wait to get it in my own car. Still haven't gotten it yet, so hopefully soon. But that's basically it. Definitely let me know down in the comment section below which maps and navigation you prefer, whether it be the old one or the new one, and why. Also, if you're looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you're looking for a new or inventory Tesla Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which is currently the only way to do so, and help us get qualified for certain reward prizes, which is how we get to all these cool events and can bring you guys along through the live streams. If you do use our code though, definitely fill out the contact form through our website so we have your contact information. That way we can reach out and invite you guys out when we take delivery of our next gen Roadster. We can do test drives, because really without your support none of this would be possible, so I can't thank you guys enough. Definitely a thumbs up though if you enjoyed the video. Go and click here to subscribe, here for some other ones, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.